Okay, so once in Dreamweaver, look for the site menu. I can find it and find new site. The name isn't important at the moment, but click the little folder button to go looking for the folder you've just put all the JPEGs in. For me, I've stored them in a folder called Site Folder. I can find it. There it is. Click Choose. Click Done. And immediately the Files panel should open up on your right with a list of the files in. If it doesn't, go to the Window menu and choose File. Okay, so we need to create a new page. So from the File menu, select New HTML and create a new HTML page to hold the image. Save it, do save or save as, and call it index.html. That's always the official name of every page in a website. We call it the home page, but the computer calls it index.html. Now make sure that we are viewing it in design view at the top. That's it. And all you do is drag and drop the image of your first page into the HTML page. That's it. You can even resize it if necessary. And Dreamweaver is writing the auto code for us automatically underneath. There's me looking for the properties palette, which we will need later. Okay. The next thing to do is to save it and then create another HTML blank page as the page we're going to jump to or to link to. And we can save this with a name that's appropriate to the website, that makes sense to yourself, and call it Contact Us or More Information or Join Us or whatever. And you should see it appear again in the Files palette. And then drag and drop the image appropriate to that page in. There we are. And save it. There we are, save it. And now go back to the index page. Now, this is where we do need to see the Files palette, because this is what we're going to use to make a link. Move the page to the bottom right-hand corner, palette to the bottom corner, and then from the Properties palette, select the little square in the bottom left-hand corner and drag it over the page, the name of the page you want to link to in the navigation menu. It should turn blue, and then the page, go down to the Properties palette and drag the little pointer arrow across to the page that you want to join to, not the image, the page that you want to join to. And as you can see here, it's not working. Sometimes in Dreamweaver this doesn't work. This actually is an old bug that goes back for years in the software. So in that case, if it doesn't work after several tries, do it the old-fashioned way by clicking on the little folder icon next to the link. And you'll get a list of pages to link to, and link to the HTML page you want to go to, not the image. And the fact that it's highlighted in blue indicates that it's a linked area. So now, and you can see there that it's actually written the code for you. Go back to design view and go to live preview. I'm viewing it in Safari on a Macintosh. Save it. And now when we go over about, you can see the cursor change, and when we click, we jump to a new page. And that's how to link two pages together. So all you have to do is create more HTML pages for the rest of the image, and then use the properties palette to link from page to page for all of the others. And remember to put links on the other pages to go back as well. And hopefully that's it.